take that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the 1983 Kawasaki GPZ1100. And for those of you guys who've been following along, you know that I had purchased a new front end for from a 1984 Kawasaki GPZ, only to find out that it was 7/8 of an inch longer. So what we did, and by I say we, my friend Bob, meaning I drove it over there, is we made this one 7/8 of an inch shorter. Here is everything that we did to this steering stem to get it to where it is right now. Sit back and enjoy the machining wonders of Bob Scoggin.
Alright, if you put this on here.
Yeah. Looks like Bob's your uncle.
It's a
Just wanted to take a quick pause from the video to say, hey, thanks for watching. Keep it up. Hit the subscribe button if you feel inclined. Thanks again, guys. Back to the video. Come on, it's...
bam. I'll take that.
Yeah, we're in the center. Yeah, it's good enough.
Yep. I'll take that.
Now let's see if it fits. Guys, this is awesome. I need to tighten it up, but look, if you remember yesterday, we had a big old gap in the bottom, but if I lift up on it, I get no play. And I still need to tighten it up a little bit, but everything is good. Let me keep tightening this up. Way to go. Let's go. Interesting design for the clip-ons. This guy slides under here, and then this guy goes into screw under right there. Just like that. And then the bars clip on right there. Kind of interesting. Okay, just tightening up these front forks. A jack underneath the front wheel, just holding it up. That holds the air valve. So let me just tighten those up. And then maybe we can get this one. Well, we'll go the other way on this one. We'll go the other way right here. We'll go here. Dude, this is exciting. Clip-ons on. I believe this one goes on this side. There we go. Cleaned. This guy goes straight through the middle here. Dude, this is so exciting. Let me do the same thing on the other side. Here we go. Other side times 2. Oh. Good thing it fell off. It fell off the stand, but I got suspension. It fell off, but now it's on the ground. No worries. That's awesome. That's what was supposed to happen. It slid off the jack stand on both sides. Perfect timing for that to happen. Planned it that way. Okay, let's see if we can get this guy in here. Get it back to the way it's supposed to look. Well, let me do this. Let me plug in some wires. Let me plug some wires in. GoPro, stop recording. There we go. There we go. This thing is so awesome. It's getting better and better. We'll sort out the wiring and the gauges and all that stuff up here, but we got an Instagram Live coming up in just a little while, so I've got to get ready for that. But geez, look at this rocket ship. That thing is awesome. Guys, it just didn't, this is awesome. Yeah, we'll clean up everything. Just putting everything up. It's nice not having pieces and parts on the ground. The good thing is that front end, done. Rear end, done. Now we've got all the systems we have to do. We got to do brakes and make sure all our electrical works, and make sure all our switches and gauges work. And then we got to do brakes back here. Then once we have brakes, we can take it for a ride. Well, we can actually find out if the clutch works. We still don't know if the clutch works. But we got to have brakes before we can do anything else. So I'm guessing we're probably going to need to do some work on the clutches. So we got to pull them off and put new ones on. I'm guessing we're probably going to have to do that. So that's where we are. There we have it, guys. Thanks for enduring the 2-episode saga of trying to put a front end on the way it is, but we got it. We had to do a little machine work. We had to take advantage of a guy named Bob, which is awesome. It's always nice to have friends that know how to do what they know how to do. Right? So guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram on Motorcycle Rewind, and hit the subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, wander on over to our friends, Brick House Builds, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Gold Guy, and Plan B Motos, and give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.